Hi, this is Dr.V.Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, K.C.S. Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about the scope of economics. The scope of economics means the limits of subject matter. It refers to the field of study include under economics. It studies man in the ordinary business of life and how he earns his income and how he satisfies wants and how wealth is produced with limited resource in order to satisfy the human wants. In economics, we have the division of five categories like production, consumption, exchange, distribution, and public finance. Now we see one by one. Consumption, how people consume goods and service to satisfy their wants. So the satisfaction of the human wants is called consumption. It is one of the branch of the economy. People how behave in consumption of goods and service in order to maximize their satisfaction. In this, we study about the consumption of wealth, characteristics of human wants, the behavior of the consumer under the diminishing utility and consumer surplus. Next, the production. Production means how the goods and services are produced using the scarce resource. So it tells about the maximum goods are produced with the minimum cost or how the scarce factors would be utilized economically for the better result. This division is covers the production like land, labor, capital and organization. It governing the production possibility of factors, the role of factors studied in the division. Next, the distribution. The goods and service are produced with efforts, that is by combining the factors of production. The effort have to be paid to the reward or wages, labor, capital gets interest and the organization by the profit. The distribution studies about the pricing of factors of production. Next, exchange. The goods and service cannot be produced at one place or a one point of the time. Therefore, the goods are to be exchanged by the produced by the another. In this division, we know about the trade and commerce, money, banking, etc. The exchange refers to the movement of goods, one services from one place to another place by the way of producer and consumer. Consumption will be possible if the produced commodity is placed in the hands of the consumer. So the goods, how they are traded, including the role of markets or price. Next, public finance. Public finance is study about the benefit of the people and how the community or a country administrate the financial activities like public debt, public expenditure, public revenue, taxation, budgeting, and financial administration, etc. So the scope of economics is very important to the individuals, households, firms, governments, international bodies, etc. Thank you.